The girl them not stop say sick.
What?
Everything well longer than a map stick. That
What?
To me
Yo!
like me.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka hold on, pause before me introduce myself. On the things I'm never gonna post a next video. Wake up out here. Get up out of your bed, you're bright. Get up. Now we have Vybz Kartel, Presidential, featuring man like Sikka Rymes, the VP himself. We have man like Daddy1, bro, God himself. People wanna know about that monster collaboration here. This is my favorite song. One of my favorite. This is my favorite song from the album. It is. I'm not even sure because too much song the song about it. I'm singing about it. Jump on the beat wasn't my favorite, I'll be honest. But like the song, no joke. Song bad. Then bad girl, bad. But I never my favorite song. Because I am going to for the girl. But that one I rate that one. I know why I rate that one because Sikka Rymes the parent and Daddy1 the parent. You didn't say that one bad. But because we are going for the same, no? So I'm kinda yeah, got AC, yeah. Come here, good body girl. Anyways, people, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And guess what? We'll post every single day. 2 to 3 4 times. One more can post on 7 video today. Yeah, man, some people. Vybz Kartel, Presidential, Run, Tune.
The girl them not stop say sick.
What?
Everything well longer than a map stick. That
What?
to me
Yo!
like me I'm a
Yo! Straight off the bat to the dog. Sikka Rymes them couldn't know, so the girl don't say stop saying. And him got the thing well longer than a map stick, you know. You see me, I say, the girl them ever get, them want Sikka Rymes. I truly never experienced Tyrekevlogs yet. No wait, girl, no wait. Run Tune!
Man a Gaza coulda never back fist.
When I say about the man of Gaza could never do what?
Never back fist. Girl a bend back like me and risk. Panty fly, put it in hood.
Listen to them lyrics here. No man for the Gaza could never back they get been up like a bomb buck like get been up like the risk. Panty fly, put it in. What?
I mean not give a fuck no care who see.
Yeah.
Brawling na so me do me thing.
Brawling. Them man fucking girl in the public, him no care. Out the door in a chunk of car. In a car back in the car shake. Them man no care. Brawling. Go on.
In a the club me and me little shanty. Fresher than the season in a
Big Tune. Big up yourself, you know. I'm not spoiling him. Big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself. A Big Tune. But can't tell us, people. Run Tune. Oh, hold on. You see, if you don't want to watch, listen to the song without me pausing it, giving my reaction, which is the only reason you click on the video. Go and go watch the video for yourself. Link is in the description of my video. Guess what I got to know? We're going to Run Tune.
Yeah, the vibes are nice, me have to build up and split. Teddy that got you must step in a dark shit. Roll it up right.
The grabber stink. Nigga say the grabber, he must step in a dark shit because it stink. Here's me, I say, Run Tune.
It up quick, sick. Gyal a wine and the long dick. Slick, no, me never take away Vicky from chip. You must see man.
Hold on. Me not even want you to care right now. If me go sweat, me go all and sweat, you know. Right now, I go on, because me not even miss a song. What is on the merch? Cut the merch, people. Squirrel and cut the merch. Run Tune.
Free your mind, what the fuck you dealing with?
Isn't it? DP, hold on. Bring up myself again, people. Go check out the full album review, dog. Go check it out. Today around 7,000 views, 7.7 right now. Want to go check it? Go and go rent up at 10k views. You see me, I say, the full album, the whole I send them, give them a little listen. You see me, I say, you can go check out that. Laugh my ass off. This just make my night. You big up yourself. Bumbo clap, big up yourself. That's what I like to see. Run Tune.
We are folk girl from black and white
TV.
No flat screen and them still a give
Baby.
Bumbo
clap, you hear that? Bro, God. They don't wanna come fuck up the track right now. They don't wanna come with up the girl and pum pum right now. If you watch the video right now, like the video, what you do? Like the video. Run Tune. Guys, I represent.
We are folk girl from
Black and white, baby.
no flat screen and them still a give
Before you come in the track and go beat up yourself, I said no, so them man are some girls in the dog. From black and white TV, them man are not girl in the youth. From black and white, you know, imagine them thing there. Man, Buckley, dog, and get them still want him now. Go on.
Them know so we presidential.
Yeah.
In a Gucci tuxedo, me get 10 gala. So
You hear them things, yeah?
Them
I
know
think
me
that
not
one,
mad.
when that one that singing, brother. Them man here for talk about some bumbo clat, rich high class thing like me. That one the richest man in the world to blood clat. Them man rich all bumbo clat. The president. Hey, I saw. Hey. You man sing about some things that I think Jamaica the man live to blood clothes or some rich things the man sing about. You must say me now full Gucci tuxedo people. Go on.
Quick yellow strip and a wine and a stunt. Place full of Vybz Kartel and bro gotta play. Turn up the sound, people a bus blank.
See the part them play a place full of Vybz Kartel and bro gotta play. Listen to the part. I don't know him say it, I can't say it like I'm saying, but
And a wine and a stunt. Place full of Vybz Kartel and bro gotta play.
place full of Vybz Kartel and bro gotta play. Me sure I understand how me can make sense of it. Me I make sense of yo, the place full because I be a Vybz Kartel. Fire, burn up yourself, big up yourself. So me I say, me think I try to say yo, the place full up because I only Vybz Kartel and bro gotta play. Or the place full of Vybz. I think best a place full of Vybz Kartel and bro girl fans. Everything I'm gonna say. I don't know what I talk about this, but this is a thing about how I'm saying the lyrics dog. But go on.
The sound people a bus blank. Man a money pull up, me say man a chase drum. We full of energy.
Can't done.
Dance and divas, make we start a vibe in the party.
The party I go with a bag of things. They say the party are bad. I want to see me if I more in the comment section right now. You hear me? I say wake up out of the bed now. I gotta make some noise in your house. I say if you watch my TV, I'm sorry. Ah! Right, shoot.
Say royal crown, president liquor. The most wanted, make it eye lift up in
Yeah.
the mama eye like just a feeling I'm in love.
John, no. What me tell you, what you know? See what some bumbo clock liquor, the man that not even drink a Jamaican. Not even say, yo, go on.
IP, presidential group. Million on my pocket, Benz keep on low. Necklace cool like the ice, not the tree. We are cute normal pre from a little of a rich attitude.
Myself, I'm little of a rich attitude. But my little neck, no Sam, I not play hero. Me not play hero blood cloth. So yeah, my little neck door. Buy me one chain. Ashun! That.
The president and the VP.
Guys, I'm a represent.
We know one flat screen.
Ya bring the vibes anywhere go shell the party. Step in a bar, it's me go link mark. If it the parage we back.
Lord. No listen to Carter now. Throw my heart down, my foot a sweat to blood cutter. Joke thing this. Rascal. Calm down. Build bad energy, more water. It's supposed to hot no blood clot. Bumbo clot like a hot water. When America hot today, get hot no blood cleat. And when you get cold about class, nothing here dog. Run him.
That and a dozen black 40. Bucky a Portsmouth and me bad chargy. Respect sing a blinger but me love starchy.
You hear that? You man is gonna be that fuck up with Jack. Sang done look I repeat chorus again now. Oh that and the president. But people want me think which one of the song them on the album and the favorite song, drop it down below in the comment section. Let me see me I say. Let me know.
The president, we are four girl from
Yeah, let me know which one of the song them on the favorite song. Maybe I stream tonight. A long time I not stream some Fortnite with the people them and they say, "Oh, go for some fans." I'm like, "What you talk about them that day ones?" That time I stream some Fortnite and they say, "Big up man like SCT in the comment section and every video I post no matter which country, which Caribbean you come from, big up yourself." They say, "Big up man like Ryan, big up on yourself." They say, "People who check out the video anytime I post a video, no matter where it come from, Chevel, big up yourself." Here's something from me just start the YouTube me and subscribe, big up yourself. They say, "Big up to everybody watching right now. Just subscribe and grow." We are trying 20K next week. 20K, you see them goals, you see them things I'm talk about, dog. I'm just start make video for the year. I'm gonna say, yo, more is 10K before the year done. Bumbo clout, how much for that now? I need to stop cursing them and video them. I'm out.